This How to 1 Minute will show you how to leave a Discord server without anyone knowing. Step 1. We need to change our username. Step 2. We need to change our profile name or profile picture. Step 3. Enable invisible mode for a day. Step 4. Don't tell anyone anything you don't interact with the group. Step 5. Leave the group. And the last step is benefit. Now let's see in details. To leave a group without anyone knowing, you must change your username, ditch your profile picture and go underground invisible. So first of all, click on the settings. Make sure to select my account. And here you'll find your username. So click on edit next to username. And now change your username from here. Make sure to use a unique name. And give your current password. Click on done. And it's time to remove our Discord profile picture. To do that, click on edit user profile. Click on remove avatar. Click on save changes. Once done, go to your Discord homepage and click on your name. Click on do not disturb and from here select invisible. This will make it appear that you are not online, which suits your purpose. It's time to do the deed. Wait for 24 hours and then leave the group. Even if the robot announces it to the group, people won't even know who you are. If the group is very small, they will eventually figure out that you left, but you can't do anything about that. So that's how you will be able to leave a Discord group without knowing anyone. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.